Okay, folks, revising our laws of indices for our paper 2 and paper 3, okay, GCSE maths. Okay, so question 1a, we're asked to simplify x to the power of 8 times by x cubed or x power of 3. So when I multiply, guys, here with the same base, okay, I'm going to add the powers. 8 plus 3 is 11, so it's x to the 11, x to the power of 11. Okay, what about option, guys? Simplify in brackets 5y all cubed. So that's 5 cubed, which is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125 or 125. Then we have y cubed, which is just y cubed. Okay, you're unsure, think of it as y to the power of 1. And when it's a power to a power, then I multiply 1 times 3 is 3. 5 cubed, okay, maths just means 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so it's 5y times 5y times 5y, which is 125y cubed. Okay, so if you're ever unsure in the exam, okay, yeah, so just do it as 5y times by 5y times by 5y. Okay, so remember, numbers go with numbers, letters will go with letters. Okay, so 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Y times y times y is y cubed. So it's 125 y cubed. Okay, so watch out for those ones here. Sneaky 1 or 2 marks here that you might get at the start of a higher tier paper or end of foundation. Okay, remember to obviously cube everything, raise everything to the power on the outside. That includes the number and or letter. Okay, but C, simplify y to the 7 divided by y to the 4. Okay, remember that fraction line is a division. When I divide, guys, with the same base, I'm going to subtract the powers. So that's 7 minus 4. 7 take 4 is 3. So our final answer reads w cubed, w to the power of 3. So when I multiply with the same base, I add the powers. When I divide with the same base, I subtract the powers. When it's a power to a power, then I multiply. And also remember, guys, powers of 0 in maths, okay, is equal to 1, apart from 0 to the power of 0, which is what we call interdeterminant, or that's even what it is. So indeterminate, sorry. Okay, and then when I have a negative power, it means 1 over or the reciprocal if it's a fraction. Okay, so remember, so don't forget, to revise your index laws, okay, that involve algebra. Okay, and and if you want to give this question a go, so let's say I want to simplify 3 squared, okay, x cubed, okay, or cubed. Just as a little practice here, a little bonus question. So that's 3 squared x cubed or cubed, and drop your answer in the comments below, okay, what you'd get here. If you're asked to simplify that as a 2-mark question on a papers 2 or paper 3 higher tier GCSE maths. Okay, thank you. And good luck here for your papers 2 and papers 3 revision, okay, over this coming week and the forthcoming weekend, half term, and in June. Okay, bye for now.